It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Welcome to Genesis Models. As you could see, yes, we had a little bit of a boo-boo on Friday. It's Saturday today. The website's going up this Monday. Yes, we had a bit of a sort of an honest mistake from the website developers. Basically, you know, what happened is they was transferring all your accounts from the old website over to the new website. Their first attempt didn't go quite well, so basically they wanted to do a fresh restart of just kind of deleting all the accounts and then do it again, and that's what they did. And the second time round they got it all right, and all your accounts are there nice and ready. You've got all your veteran pilot statuses. All you got to do is do that sort of password reset when you first log in. Problem is, as I just said, the first attempt didn't go quite well, and so they deleted all the accounts. And the problem is we've got all these automated email systems with this new website, and so hundreds and hundreds of automated emails of your account has been deleted went out to all you paying members. I do apologize, but your account wasn't being deleted. It was just a little bit of a whoops with the new website. And I know I've had just absolutely loads and loads of emails of people going, why is my account being deleted? And I've had to respond to all them, and I've had to do this video just to let you know it was just a little bit of a hiccup. Your account hasn't been deleted. You can ignore that email and don't worry about it. It was just something to do with the new website. The old website, it's still up and running. You've still got your access. You know, you haven't had a deleted account. It was just messing about with the new website. So I do apologize, but everything is fine and ready for Monday when we launched this new website. So actually, with all that said and done, you know, let's move along with sort of like what's happening now. I know that I've been a little bit quiet for a couple of weeks. That's because we've been going mental with the website. I know I said in the last show that I probably won't be able to get all the videos up from the old website to the new website because they are so time consuming, but it would only be things like old videos, like shows, vlogs from like 2012, old inbox reviews and stuff. But I have been working like a mad at it, and everything is now up. Absolutely everything, all the content is there. Really cool that it's all gone up. The only thing that we are missing is the forum, and that was just a last minute decision, you know, right? We kind of decided, you know what, we've got a forum. If we leave the forum out, we can get this website up before Christmas, which would be cool, rather than waiting for the forum to be done and then we launch sometime after Christmas. So I think it was a good decision to get it out sooner. It was just a last minute thing, so it kind of took all my plans and threw them up in the air, because I know I did say I wanted to do a website tour in the last show and everything. We even had the store giveaway area that we was going to do, but we just didn't have time to do it all. And I know so we've had to close the store in Christmas time, which is a bit of a bummer for you guys, but it's just, you know, to get this website out, it's just been so much hard work. So I do apologize for all the things that haven't come. I'm going to have to sort of make up for it next year in 2022. Have a really good sort of Christmas special or something. I'll try and make that up. But I've had the weekend to actually finally get back to doing some modeling, which has been absolutely fantastic to do that. And I've been moving along with the Phantom to get a nice episode up nice and early for the beginning of next week when the website goes up. Hopefully what you can see, if I bring you in, all these decals are on. There is absolutely loads and loads of decals, or decals depending what continent you come from, right? Loads and loads of decals all over this, which is quite impressive. I do want to say though, when it comes to decals, right, you know, when you kind of look at the scale effect of something, it's not necessarily needed. I mean, I know if you like doing decaling and you don't mind putting all these just hundreds of decals all around it, but really if you look at scale effect, you're looking at the model from like maybe a foot, but in real life that would translate to, you know, looking at the real thing from quite a distance away. And when you look at the real thing from quite a distance away, right, all these little markings are quite blurred and hard to see, and you probably couldn't see them from such a distance, which kind of means that really technically, if you wanted to, you could leave lots and lots of all these little decals off. Just something I wanted to just share you with that. I've also gone off and put our first bit of weathering on, sort of getting all these recessed panel lines and rivets filled in, right? So you'll see an episode where we start to kind of look at the weathering aspect of it, so hopefully you'll be looking forward to that. And hopefully I'll be moving along with the Avenger and getting an episode of that out, as well as finally doing this workshop tour that I have promised. Also, our sort of format, I know this past year, right, getting ready for this new website, I've been messing about with the format of how we're going to be doing things, our videos. I know I've dropped things and I've brought new things in, and you know, now the new website's here, I've had a good think about what's been working, what's not, what's best, and in all honesty, it's been quite a trip down memory lane, because I've been going over all these old shows and vlogs and all these old videos, seeing what was working way back and what wasn't. And really I've kind of come to the conclusion that, you know, if it isn't broken, don't fix it, right? You know, the whole competition system that we had, where we just give away a free giveaway and you get people to go to the forum to post to be able to be in it to win it. You know what, we're going to bring that back, because it was always good. It was always good to promote the forum, and it's a nice little prize giveaway, you know, so that's going to be coming back. The shows and the vlogs as well. Strangely enough, going back and looking at the first ever what was it, the first ever vlog, you know, I actually stated in there the whole point of the vlogs was me messing about, me sort of, you know, behind the scenes, bit of personal, bit of random stuff, not necessarily scale modeling orientated. That was what the vlogs were meant to be, but for some reason they've kind of taken over. They've kind of got a bit more serious. They've got like 100% sort of scale modeling and everything. So I'm kind of gonna go back to what the vlogs were originally meant to be, right? To not be so serious, and to bring back shows on a monthly basis, right? So we got our shows, which will be just a rundown of what everything's going on. I'll have the competitions in there, looking at the forum and stuff, but bringing the vlogs back to being what they're originally supposed to be, which was just a bit of general anything behind the scenes and all that kind of stuff. So hopefully you're going to be liking that and looking forward to that. So new website, bit of a new system, well, sort of going back a bit in an old system, but a bit more modernized, and looking forward to all the builds that are going on. I'm hoping this will be finished rather soon to start a new step-by-step. I still have got the P51D Mustang by Edard 148 scale that I was doing as a nice quick sort of advanced step-by-step, but I want it completely finished. Hopefully that should be coming in the next couple of months, fingers crossed. And you know, the cool thing is now the website's out the way, I can just, you know, get back to just good old sort of modeling. So you know, so we haven't had sort of any Christmas specials or anything like that, or any giveaways. I will try and make up for it next year, but apart from that, you know, have a really happy Christmas and a happy new year. Wish you all the best over the Christmas period, and have some real happy scale modeling and the time to do your models, and I will see you hopefully in videos around Christmas.